So we've run our exploit on a Windows 7 computer, and now the Windows 7 computer is phoning home. You see that we have a session opened from our 10.0.3.4 that is my Windows 7 virtual machine. So I'm going to set up an interactive session. So I'm actually going to set up a shell using that interpreter, and I'm going to say sessions -I. I want an interactive console on session 1. Sessions-I, and my session number will usually be 1 for the first machine you compromise, but if you send this out to 10 PCs on your business's network with your boss's permission, and 5 of the employees click through the link and install the software, you're going to see session 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you can navigate between those with sessions-I space and the number of the session. And now I have a live interactive session with that guest computer. I can do a PWD. What is my present working directory? You can see I'm in C users IE user desktop. I can CD space ... and then PWD to get my present working directory. Now I'm an IE user. I can CD into downloads, PWD, and then ls, and you can see I have my game.exe file that I downloaded on my C users IE user downloads folder. So I am on my Windows 7 computer controlling it from Kali Linux using Meterpreter and Metasploit. So I am running this interactive shell. There are several things that I can do while I'm logged in to my Windows 7 computer from this Meterpreter shell. Let's do a couple more things. Get UID. This will get the user ID that I'm logged in as. Well, I'm logged in just as that IE8 Windows 7 IE user. Not a very powerful user, in fact, a pretty restricted user, which is a good thing. Let's try to get the password hash file by running hash dump, and you'll see the script requires the use of a system user context, not just a regular Windows 7 user. So I'm going to need to escalate privileges to be able to do anything really interesting. That means I'm going to have to elevate myself from this Windows IE 8 Win 7 user to a system level user, an administrator on that Windows 7 box. And we're going to see how to root or escalate privileges using another exploit in Metasploit in the next lesson.